Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, as you know that we are discussing advertisement writing. So as of now we have discussed advertisements which are written under situation vacant and situation wanted. Situation vacant and situation wanted. So today we are going to discuss the advertisements which are written under the heading for sale, for purchase or to let. So today we are going to discuss next type of advertisement which are written under heading sale, purchase, to let. Okay, sale, purchase and to let. So let's begin. So what are the points or what are the points which we must keep remember while writing such types of advertisements? One by one I am going to write down here. We are going to discuss the advertisement which are written under under these headings: sale, purchase or to let, for renting the property, for renting, for renting the property. Okay. Points to remember: first one, keep heading, we should keep heading for sale or for purchase or to let, for sale or for purchase or to let. Okay. Next thing which we should keep remember, begin with available. Begin with available. For example, available for sale, available for sale or available or for purchase, for purchase or available or to let. Okay, to let. Next point, type of house you must mention. Types of house, whether it is flat or independent, okay, or office, etc. you must mention the type of house. So we are discussing the advertisements which are written under these headings: for sale, for purchase, or to let. To let is written for renting the property. These are some points which we must keep remember while writing this advertisement. So keep heading for sale or for purchase or to let. Begin with available. For example, available for sale, available for purchase, or to let. Then types of house: flat, independent house, office, etc. Let me rub it and write down more points for you. So you must keep remember these points as they are very important. You must mention accommodation, size, floor size, floor, number of rooms, etc. Number of rooms, etc. Then fixtures and fittings, fixtures and fittings. Okay. Also mention the surroundings, like centrally located, east facing or nearby market. Okay, centrally located, east facing or east facing park, facing parks, nearby market, school, hospital, nearby market, school, hospital. Hospital, etc. Okay. So let me rub it and write down the more points for you. You can take the screenshot, or you can also pause the video and write it down. So now let me show you solved examples and questions for practice on your screen. So what we have discussed as of now, let us once again discuss the same, and I'll show you the notes which we have discussed with examples, and questions are also there for practice which you must practice. Okay, so let me show you. So we are discussing advertisements which are written under these headings: sale, purchase, renting of property. Points to remember, we have just discussed: keep heading for sale, purchase, to let. Begin with available. For example, available for sale, available for purchase, available for rent. Then types of house, flat, independent floors, offices, etc. Accommodation size, floor, number of rooms, etc. Then fixture and fittings, surroundings, centrally located, facing park, nearby market, school, hospital, bank, bus stand, etc. Company or bank lease preferred in case of to let, expected price, fixed or negotiable, contact address and phone number. Word limit, as we all know, for all types of advertisement as well as notices, the word limit remain the same. It is of 50 words. Now let us go through a solved example. You are Ranveer Ravina of 254 Greater Kailash, New Delhi. You want to sell the first floor of your newly constructed house. Draft an advertisement for local Delhi under its classified column, property for sale, in not more than 50 words. Include the relevant details like location, type of accommodation, cost, and contact address, including telephone number, etc. So how you will start? So first of all, we have to write in capital. The heading should be in center in capital, for sale. Then we should start it with available. So available for sale, the first floor of a newly constructed house at Greater Kailash, comprising 2 spacious bedrooms with attached bathrooms, a large drawing room cum dining room, and a large modular kitchen. East facing, located near shopping plaza, price negotiable. You can also write price 50 lakh but negotiable. Interested parties may contact Ranveer Ravina, 254 Greater Kailash, New Delhi. Then contact detail. So thus, dear students, you must give all the details. What type of house you want to sell, what are the fittings and fixture, where it is located. You must mention all the details which are given here. Now these questions which I am showing here, you must take the screenshot of these questions and must practice. Question number 1. You own an independent house in West Delhi and want to sell it. Draft an advertisement for a local Delhi giving all necessary details. B. You have a prime space approximately 5,000 square feet near Mathura Road, suitable for showrooms, mall, plaza, etc. Draft an advertisement for the for sale column of a daily newspaper. C. You purchase 1 acre of land in Punjab. You want to dispose of this agricultural land. Write an advertisement to be published in National Daily giving all necessary details. You are Harpreet of Purana Street, Punjab. As you are going abroad, you want to sell your 3 BHK bedroom plus hall plus kitchen villa with pool and tennis court located in a gated society. Draft an advertisement for a national daily classified advertisement column in 50 words. Last one. You want to sell your 20,000 square feet build up area industrial plot in Pushpanjali, Brisbane. Draft an advertisement for classified column for sale in 50 words. Now for purchase of property, let us go through the solved example. You are Ranveer, Radhika. You want to purchase a flat. Write an advertisement for the newspaper giving full details of your requirements and capacity to pay. So first of all, in the same way, in the box, and while making the box, don't draw the bottom line. First you should draw the three-sided line. Leave the bottom line, which should be drawn at the when you have finished the advertisement. Then in the same way, dear students, if we want to sell the house, we will have to give all the specification of the house. In the same way, if you want to purchase the house, you will have to discuss all the things. In the same way, only instead of for sale, we are going to write for purchase. Let us go through this solved example. For purchase a DDA HIG flat in North Delhi, you must mention what type of house you want to sell, whether it is flat or independent house, then where is it located. Rohini with 3 bedrooms, you must tell what is the fixture and fittings of the house, how many rooms, bedrooms, kitchen, drawing room, all things you want to buy. The house which you want to buy, what type of house you want to buy, you must mention how many bedrooms are required. Okay, so you should mention all the details which you want in the house which you are going to buy. So for purchase a DDA HIG flat in North Delhi, Rohini with 3 bedrooms, attached baths, drawing cum dining room with family lounge. Price negotiable, but here I would like to recommend you to write price 50 lakh but negotiable. It means your budget is 50,000. You must tell your budget. Okay. Well ventilated modern facilities near big market and metro station will be preferred. Owners or dealers may contact Ranveer Radhika Janta Apartments, Lajpat Nagar, Delhi. Now test your skills. Answer these questions. You must practice these questions. You are Suraj Nanda, Director to Study Plus Academic Center. You want to purchase land for setting up a school in India. Write a suitable advertisement inviting offers from landowners. Give necessary details like required plot size, location. Do include your address in India. Second one, a nationalized bank, it is not bank, it is misprinting, it should be bank. A nationalized bank requires premises to open an ATM in a prime market area. Draft, it is not DRAFF, it should be draft. Draft an advertisement to be published in a local newspaper. Third one, you are interested in buying a flat in a cooperative group housing society. As per your requirement, draft an advertisement to be published in Hindustan Times newspaper. Fourth one, you got a job in Delhi, you want buy a flat 2 BHK near your office in Dwarka. Draft an advertisement in 50 words. Fifth one, you want to open an eating point near DDA Market, Vikas Puri. Draft an advertisement for purchase of small spacious market. Okay, it's all about it. Now we are going to discuss advertisements which are written under the heading to let. For to let, we should begin with wanted or available. Begin with wanted or available. Begin with wanted or available. Type of accommodation in the same way as you have mentioned in for sale and for purchase. Type of accommodation. Type of accommodation you must mention. Size, floor, number of rooms, etc. You must mention size, floor, number of rooms, etc. Then location and surrounding. Location and surrounding. After that, rent expected, bank company lease preferred, rent expected, bank or company lease preferred, bank or company lease preferred, you must mention. Then contact address, email address or telephone number. Then contact detail, contact address, okay, email, telephone number, email ID, telephone number, etc. Okay. So advertisements which are written under this column, they are written for the purpose of renting the property. So you can begin with the wanted or available, type of accommodation, size, floor, number of rooms, etc. You must mention. Location and surrounding, rent expected, bank or company lease preferred, contact address, email ID, telephone number, etc. you must mention. Let me rub it and write down a short example for you. You want to sell, example, you want to let out a portion, you want to let out a portion, you want to let out a portion of your newly constructed independent house. Your newly constructed independent house. Write an advertisement to be published. Write an advertisement to be published. Write an advertisement to be published in the to-let classified columns. In the to-let classified columns in the Hindustan Times. Word limit we all know it is of 50 words. Let me show you this example on your screen in the form of PDF. Okay, you can take the screenshot. So you have to first, it should be written under the heading to let, so you have to write it in capital letter, then available for rent, no comma after available. Okay, you should avoid putting comma, it is here by it's a printing mistake. Available for rent, first floor of a newly. If you write this way a little bit, you have to change a little bit in the structure of the sentence and write this way: available first floor of a newly constructed house in B block, Ashok Vihar, Delhi for rent. Okay, available first floor, the first floor of a newly constructed house in B block, Ashok Vihar, Delhi for rent. 2 bedrooms with attached baths, well ventilated and spacious, with wooden work, walking distance from market, school, hospital and metro station. Expected rent is 25,000 per month, but negotiable. Contact Lalaji and on this contact number. Okay, you can take the screenshot of this example. Now you must practice these questions. First one, you want to rent out your newly constructed office in a prime location of Preet Vihar, Vikas Marg, New Delhi. Draft an advertisement stating the facilities, price, etc. Second one, you have a space of 18 by 18 square feet in a commercial market. Draft an advertisement to be published in to-let column of the National Daily stating all your requirements and expected rent. Third one, you have a 2-bedroom flat in Rohini which you want to let out on rent. draft an advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published in a newspaper. Next one, you are Nitin of 115 Vivek Vihar, Delhi. You want to let out your newly constructed shop on rent. Draft an advertisement in 50 words. Fifth one, you are Nihal Singh of 22 Model Town, Delhi. You have parking space in the basement of your 1000 square meter koti. Draft an advertisement to let this space for parking purpose. Okay, so it's all about it. In the next class we will discuss for purchase, or if you want to, if you are looking house for rent, then how you should write it down. Okay dear students, so we have as of now we have discussed advertisements which are written under the heading situation vacant, situation wanted, and for sale, in which we have discussed for sale, for purchase, and to let. So there are various types of advertisements which we have to study in class 11th. So in my next video I will discuss the remaining types of advertisement. So thank you students for watching this video. See you tomorrow.